In this video, we're going to be talking about one of the advanced tools in the myViewBoard Whiteboard online software that is known as the Adorning Menu. The Adorning Menu can be activated if you go ahead and select the Selection tool, which is once again that dotted little line with that mouse that's in the lower right-hand corner, the third icon down in your main toolbar on the right-hand side of your screen. Sorry for my arrow, it wasn't that good, so I wanted to go ahead and make sure it was a little bit more clear for you. But in order to go ahead and activate this menu, you want to make sure you select that selection tool. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to the next page just so that you can see this in full action. And I'm going to go ahead and select that selection tool, that third icon down. And from here, I'm going to go and select onto one of my objects. And as you can see, I have a ton of different things that pop up onto the menu on the side. Now, a lot of them have exactly what they do, which is delete, duplicate, copy, lock, layer, fit screen, set as background, and crop. And they all might vary depending on which object that you do select. Now, it is pretty easy to go ahead and activate them. So let's say I want to go ahead and activate one of them. All I'm going to have to do is left click it once in order to activate it, and it's going to go ahead and apply that to my object. So as you can see, if I go ahead and go to the YouTube video, some of the options are a little bit different because it is a different type of object. So depending on the object, it will show you different types of things. And even the text has a few different things that you can choose from as well, including that immersive reader. Now, once again, if you want to go ahead and do something to one of the objects, you just want to left click it once. Let's say I want to duplicate it. All I need to do is left click that duplicate and it will do that. Or I can hit that delete and it will go ahead and delete it as well. If I want to lock an object, I can go ahead and hit the lock and a little lock will appear on the screen, along with layering different things as well. This is just one of the great tools that is built into the myViewBoard Whiteboard software, and I highly recommend checking it out regarding any of your object's needs.